The big view. Moni among Moni among sani house karon sa Scotland, Airbnb. Wala klaro kay pikas balay oh. Kita sa gawas. Moni siya among surroundings outside the house. Nice kaya mong Airbnb ay. Nice kayo. Hello. Hello.
George, you've done it all wrong. Now, what do we have here? It's very good, Peppa. And George has painted a dinosaur. Dinosaur. Brilliant.
Sa sala pa lang.
Peppa and her friends Daddy Dog, Susie Sheep and Rebecca Rabbit are riding their bicycles. George is riding his bicycle.
Let's race to Daddy Pig's pumpkin. If we race to Daddy's pumpkin, we have to be very careful not to bump into it. Daddy will be very sad if the pumpkin not broken.
Tapos, na-unshake the local room. Gi? Okay, sorry. Among kitchen. Among ha? Okay lang. Yan na. Nag-ilis ka? Nag-ilis na ka? Okay, kitchen. Among main door. Then, among first room. There's 3 rooms man siya. Kini siya ging ang gi-open dapat ging. This one. Ano ba na? Ha? All the way na. Ha? Ayun lang. Okay lang. Iman siyang room. First room. Ayun na din. Iinis na lang kanila nga na.
This way under off.
Nice guy siya. Wow. Claro que ito desgawas. No. Wala man mama diri. Wala man mama. Asa man mama? Second room ni Papa. Second room. What it's like to love somebody, the way I love you. Second room. What it's like, baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, the way I love you. Now, the third room. Much bigger siya dito. There. So, this is the third room. Ay, diri sila sa akong brother gang baby. And they have their own toilet. Sila ilang toilet. Nice kaayo eh. Clean kaayo siya. Very clean. So, ang toilet na mo is duha. Sa shower room na si Papa naligo dito. Dili ang another bathroom na mo pero may naligo man. So, this is it. Mani among balay. There is sa Scotland for 3 days and 4 nights. 3 nights and 4 days. Bye!